To start, turn off your hot and cold angle stops or water stops to the faucet itself. Remove the quick coupler from your mixed water tube. So pull down on the colored sleeve and then pull down on the coupler and it'll release from the tube. And go ahead and unthread the coupler from your hose. And on this faucet we have an adapter, so unthread the adapter itself from the hose. These are all standard threads. And then you'll need to remove your weight. The weight has 2 screws, one on either side of it. Most times you can just loosen these up. And just pull it through the weight itself. Now you want to go topside and just pull down on your spray head like you were going to use it. And just pull the hose out through the body of the faucet. At this time you would remove the spray head from the hose and it simply unthreads. Take it away. With the replacement hose, just re-thread on the new hose onto the existing spray head. Hand tight. Take the male end of the hose and just push it up through the arm of the faucet and slowly, there we go, feed it down through the body. And lock it into the arm. Take your weight, slide it onto the end of the hose. Take your adapter, thread it on, and then your coupler, thread it onto the adapter, and tighten. Pull down on the colored sleeve, push it up onto the mixed water line, release. Couple tugs, it's locked in place. Take your weight, and as it's on the upside of the hose, go ahead and retighten the screws. And it is as simple as that.